to another video. This is Toddy Gaming, and yeah, today we're gonna do another Scratch tutorial. But before we're gonna get started this video, I'm gonna do a quickly shout out to Leroy91281. He was previously playing with me in Fortnite. And by the way, guys, if you want to play with me in Fortnite, it's Toddy Gaming. The first T is not a capitalized, it's just small. Yeah, and you guys can friend me at Fortnite. Okay, so let's get started in this video. Um, we are gonna just straight up doing things. So last time we did a animation. Today I guess I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a simple game, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna make a simple game. So okay, let's go to the sprite first, and we got actually, when we just look at this this thing, the earth, it kind of gave me an idea of, let's do a kind of like a Star Wars battle, like a spaceship battle. Like, is there a space? Ooh, oh, there's a rocket ship. Okay, he's a little bit too big, so I'm gonna go over to the size, and then we're gonna do, I think 70 is enough. Yep, that's perfectly. And then let's choose a backdrop. Ooh, actually, there's a moon. Is there like space? There's a galaxy. There's stars over here. We'll choose stars. Okay, this looks better. Okay. Okay, so there is always two ways to do it, but I'm gonna make the easier way, because since it's just better. So this time we're gonna be learning some new things. We're gonna learn the motion, the looks, the sounds, the events, the control, the sensing, and the variable. So that's all we're going to learn. Motion and looks, I already teach you last video. Sounds is to make a sound in this thing. For example, if we say, let's say a popular game like Minecraft, the zombie always make a sound. So you can always change with the sound. So you can make like a sound like laser. Okay, yeah, you hear this? Yeah, it was like a little laser sound. So, yep. Okay, so the sound is swinging forward. The events is gonna be when pressed. Control is like a bunch of stuff. If you guys forgot last video, motion is just to move around. The looks is to say or talk or switch costume or next backdrop or change size. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna use the simple ways to teach you guys. So I'm gonna grab these two, and then we're gonna do, I guess, when up arrow and when down arrow. So once we press these, they're gonna move in a this rocket ship is gonna move in a certain way. So let's go to the motion, and oh yes, so I forgot to tell you guys about this. I don't think I did, but I think I told you guys last video, but I'm just gonna tell you guys again. Up and down is for Y. Left or right is X. So X over here is minus. Over here is not minus, it's just X. Over here is minus Y. Up here is not. It's just, yeah. So it's like a temperature where like minus or not minus. Okay, so let's do that. Based on this rocket ship is always going to move up or always going to move down. So we're just going to go take change by Y. We're going to put all these right here. So like, let's say, actually, we're just gonna do that. We're gonna go change by 10, so it's gonna be up. This is gonna be minus. So, oops, that's a little bit big number. All right. So now if we can start this, if you press the up arrow, it should go up and it should go down like that. What you now know is what's the up arrow is like. So there's A, S, D. That's the key where you usually move. There's another one on the right corner on your keyboard. There should be like the arrows. So yeah. So yeah. Okay, so we did it. Now the spaceships can move up or down. Now we want other things to attack him. So let's go into a sprite. Actually, we're gonna paint our own sprite. Let's say, so this is a sprite. Let's change it into white. And we'll do that. We'll go about to 50. How big is that? How much is 100? Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so, no, it's not perfect. Let's change it down to 80. Yeah, so we'll just undo everything and then we'll put this little circle. Oops, still not that circle. There we go. Okay. So now we got the circle. Now we wanted to go always to a position. So we are gonna do is this. So when this is clicked, it will always go to the rocket ship. Oh, my mouse, what just happened? This thing will always target the rocket ship. So when this started, he will lose 1 life. Okay, so that's easy. We are gonna go to the motion. When this is clicked, it will go to a random position. Actually, it will always go to this position to about like right here. Actually, we're gonna have to copy it down so it's 208, and then the other one is, yeah, we're just gonna have to do that. Oops. Okay, so no matter wherever you do, it always goes back here. Now it will, so this thing will glide to there, it will go to there. So we're gonna have to get the motion glide. Okay, so I'm gonna always glide here, and then always glide to the spaceship. So if we start here, it will always it will follow the thing. So now, if we do this, it will go. That 1 second is too fast, so let's make it to 3. Let's see about this. So I'm gonna start. Alright, and then we dodged it. Okay. So now glide to the rocket ship. And then we want this to repeat. So we're gonna go to the control section, and then we're gonna do forever. That's gonna be forever, you know. And then so we're just gonna do forever, and then we're gonna put a if in here. So if this ball touches the rocket ship, so we're gonna have to go to sensing because this has to sense this. So if this thing senses the rocket ship, it will switch to another backdrop, and they will lose 1 life. Okay, so let's say how much life it will go. We're gonna have to go to the variables, and we're gonna create a variable, and the variable name is gonna be health. And then for all sprite or for this sprite only, I don't really care about this, but I just just all sprite, Okay, so the health has 0 in it now. We need to set health always to, I guess, 3. So the rocket ship also has this set health to 3. So we're gonna just do that, and then now, ooh, gosh, hold on. Okay, so now we always set to health if like touching rocket ship, and then it will switch backdrop to another backdrop, and then it will change health by minusing it 1. So like that. So now we start the game. This touches it. It will change it into 2. Oh gosh. Okay, so the backdrop always, hold on. Okay, so now we need another backdrop. The exact same. So let's go to the stars again. So now there's, as you can see, there's gonna be 2 of the same backdrop. We don't need that one. This one, we're gonna have a text right here is gonna say game, actually all capitalized, game over, like that. And then we're just gonna so we're just gonna have to make it a bit bigger, so like this. So we'll say game over all the time after we lose this 1 health. But only if they lose 1 health, it will. So it won't, this thing will not do that as quick as possible. Only if the health is all the way to 0. So if touching rocket ship change health by 1, and then so if this go to the health 3 times, so if I'm gonna take another if under here, and then the thing, so this touches him, but actually I thought it would be better if we just put it into 1, because since we I'm not gonna give you that advance, we'll just start right here. But as you know, the next video I will show you the way of how to, but actually this rocket ship has only 1 health. This only has 1 health. If he gets him, he's done. So this is like the ball. But I'm gonna actually make a part 2 of this, where there's this big meteor rack, and there's also small. So if this touches him, he's dead. But if there's small meteor rack, only 3 of them, they will die. So we'll just stick right now to only 1 health. So if 1 health minuses, then it will switch backdrop into start 2. Wait, hold on. What's the difference between start 1? Hold on, what's the difference between start 1 and start 2? Oh. Actually, like that. Okay. So now, if we say like this, it will always, yeah, that's broken. That's totally broken. Hold on, stop. Hold on. I'm just gonna fix this. So this is the backdrop. This is start 2, start 1. No, like that. There we go. Okay, so now we just gotta avoid this. And this will always, as you can see, it will always come to you. And you just gotta avoid it. Now, if the ball always touches you, you will die like this, and then, what? Hold on. Did I forget to add something? Oh yes, I did because yeah, because it changed health by 1. Yeah, I didn't we gotta add the if. So if in this place. So hold on. Whoa, hold on. This has to get in here. Now this thing has to. Okay, so it's just so like so only if this system too much time. So this we gotta use the operator. So we'll do that in part 2. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video, and for the next video I'm gonna show you the full one. Or if it does not work, then I'm gonna make a part 3 to this. So I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.